Here we are with my blue 2018 Can-Am RT Limited. It's in great shape. It's been garaged this whole time and waxed it regularly. Tires are in really good shape. You can see the rear tire in excellent shape too. Lots of rubber still left on that bad boy. Have a few accessories I put on this bike. Chrome wheels in the front. Let's check out the lights. Accessory lighting already installed. LEDs on the A-arms, side view mirrors, and I also got rear LED lights in the back. So here's the updated mileage on it, 30,810. Well, the other things I've done to the bike is this button here opens the garage. It can be programmed to any garage. You got your headlight controls. This is electric. The windshield is up and down. You got a reverse right here. Cruise control. It's got heated grips. Fog lights. You get grip control right here in the back. On the other side, you got the audio controls. You can control the stereo. The stereo is all controlled with the toggle button here. You can go to different music settings. Also connected to your bike and via USB, and use a bunch of different apps of it. I use it for GPS right on the screen. It's got 6 speakers, 2 in the back right here. We also added the armrest after, but these are Can-Am done at the dealership. I also upgraded the fog lights and the headlights to full LED. Let's take it for a ride. Check out the storage. So you got some a cubby storage here in the front. You got 2 saddlebags. You got the rear trunk. Got lots of storage back there. Got the other saddlebag here. Let's take that out. And check out the front. So the front is a front storage trunk. Opens up right here, and the key. Enough for another helmet, other gear, connectors for the phone and USB are right here as well. Got your owner's manual. The original tool bag is also here as well. It has the semi-automatic shift. Recently done the oil change on the bike. The brakes on the rear, and it's also recently being inspected by the local dealership, so I can show you that paperwork as well. There you are, full walk around 2018 Can-Am RT Limited. Okay, here it is, Can-Am 622 trailer, perfectly fitted for the Can-Am motorcycle. Has independent shock suspension. I fitted a grill in the front so you can add an ice chest or something. This unit's pretty cool because it has the matching taillights, matches the Can-Am RT Limited. Let me show you what the lids look like. opens up right here. Shock assisted. Here's the trailing capacity. As you can see, it's huge in there. Big. And it also has a front. I'll come around and show that in a second. Alright, so here it is with the two lids. Front lid's really nice. It makes it really convenient. You get the stuff out the front while you're riding around. It also has the side lights, back, chrome wheels, lock for both front and back hatch. Here's a good look of the interior. There you go. Can-Am 622 trailer. I believe this is a 2014. Along with the 622 trailer is this stand where you can stand your trailer vertically in your garage and save you a lot of space. There's a little lip that's on the underside of the trailer, and this is the back part. This goes on the back part of the trailer. Slip down to the tongue and stand up the trailer. Now I'd show you how it would look standing up, but it takes a couple people to set that up. I'm sure you can find other videos online where you see demonstration of how this works.